Now, when I made my now infamous video, the best mechanical keyboard I used, it is fair to say from the enthusiast custom keyboard warriors, I got a lot of advice. Mostly abuse, but some good advice. And some of them were telling me this and that keyboard is the best, and this one kept on coming up. And I kid you not, they told me to lube it and Thocc it. I said, I beg your pardon? Lube it and Thocc it. Now, I'm a man that respects everyone's lifestyle. Whether you're a man that loves another man, you're a New Zealander and you fondle sheep, more power to you. And I understand the need for using lube when you're trying to knock the top of it, or you're on a Meagle doing a fist of fury, but I draw the line at defiling my keyboard. I am not going to lube and Thocc my keyboard, but this keyboard is Thocking good.